Hey everyone, so this is an unboxing here of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. If I like this watch, I'm going to be trading in my 5 Pro, so we're getting like extra $350 for it. We also have the Peak Form Band and then the Trail Band here. So this is the one I chose, and then they gave a free Trail Band with this with pre-order, along with like $50 off, and then again, $350 towards my 5 Pro if I trade that in. Again, see if I actually like this. So we have these things. I don't know what these things are, but we have those things in this long box. Put that off to the side. Alright, I already took this off of here. I did one of them, not both of them. So I'm going to take off this other sticker. Alright, let's see, there's more stuff up here. Alright, so in the top part we have our charger, which is, I think, the same charger. It might be a little bit faster charger than what came with the 5 Pro on the last few series. Alright, so it's kind of weird how they give a different box for the band, but they do. It does not come in the box with the watch. So first impressions is this thing is decently heavy. It is definitely funky looking. And of course, there is no rotating bezel. It's all through the screen. You guys can hopefully see all the orange in here. You have the orange here. So this would look really good with the orange band, I'm sure. But they were kind of... That one was many, many days out. Yeah, it's pretty cool looking. Then we have... This does rotate, I think. Nope, I'm just touching... I'm an idiot and touching that thing. It was rotating. Anyway, it does not rotate, like I thought it did. We have this funky new band feature there. And then there is the bottom of it, the nice big heart rate sensor and all the other sensors there. It had a sticker on here, so now mine's nice and smudged. But yeah. So we have 2 buttons here. You can see one is orange, one's white, and then you have the middle one is surrounded by orange. I guess maybe speakers and stuff there. I don't know what everything is, of course. And overall, it's a very different looking watch. So what is supposed to be $650 normally, you get, of course, the heavy duty watch, you get your charger, and if you did not pre-order it, I don't think you get 2 bands, but you at least get 1 band with this. Otherwise, I think these bands are like $80, which is insane. I go on Amazon and buy them for like $5 to $10 instead of the knockoff brands. But yeah, so with trade-in right now, again, I'm going to be trading this in if I decide to keep the Ultra over the 5 Pro. Mine comes out to like $265 after their trade-in credit and their discounts from doing the buying it ahead of time. So yeah, y'all let me know what you think. It's definitely different looking. Again, this is the gray one. It is a very dark gray, almost blackish. It's definitely gray, but it is definitely dark. So very nice looking, I think. Very funky looking, very different. But yeah, y'all know what you think. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.